The camera is a tool. We should strive to use our creativity and simple photographic tools to tell stories that speak of the human condition. This project, entitled Strong and Free, captures the challenges of immigration, raising kids in a new country, racism and fitting in, and the small victories of citizenship, employment, being community leaders, and encouraging their kids to dream big. Today's story is of Kyanh from Vietnam. I'm Carmen Groh, and this is Hasselblad Stories.
Like people used here, we say like a sardine, can, right? It was tighter than that actually. So we each have a small, space just to put our luggage, sat on it, and we stayed I just sat on it for I think 3 nights and 4 days.
Did you think you were going to make it to Canada?
Honestly, no. Honestly, we didn't think about it. I personally didn't think I would make it, or the boat would make it. So that's why for a lot of us, myself included, I sincerely believe that I had a second chance. So we have to do something with it.